My name is Zachery Liuzza, and I'm a musician. I travel the world, and I share my songs with anybody who will listen. I'm just trying to connect with the people, you know, through my art, through my work. It's hard when you I'll be at my house and I'll be like, hey, I'm just gonna go to the gas station and get a yoohoo, you know, and I go there and the gas station attendant's like, oh, hey Zach, yoohoo, huh? It's like I can't go anywhere, you know, without like everybody knowing who I am.
So what was it like before all this fame hit you?
Well, I always, you know, kind of knew that I'd be famous. I always was working towards that day, you know, and getting ready. You know, there was a lot of trial and error. You know, I have a lot of T-shirts that didn't look good on me, and I had a lot of songs that weren't ready, and it was just about writing, and trying to find like all the right T-shirts and shoes and pants that looked good, you know, because I mean, you know, you got to look good for the public eyes. In the public eyes.
Do songs just come to you naturally?
Songs, they're like rains that fall. Like rains that fall. And if each droplet of rain is like an inch of song, and there's like 3 feet of rain song, rain, and 1 foot of rain in the song is like a minute and 25 seconds. So there's 12 inches of rain song in a foot rain song. So it's like there's.
Can you sing a song for us?
I think it's about it. I don't know. It's a very good time. This might not be very a good time to do that, but This Kiss is a good song. That's a good. That's that good kind of rain. You know, that's that good kind of rain.
What inspires you?
The rain. You see how each pick is like a little droplet of rain? You know? And then here, look. It's like it's starting to drizzle, you know? And the rain's getting harder. That was a quick rain. That wasn't a storm. That wasn't a storm. See how it just comes out like that? See how it's just coming down? It's coming down? See how? Little droplets everywhere? sweet rain. Oh. A little, something off the top of my head.
So where do you like to go to relax when you're down here?
I like to go and look at the lake, stand on the rocks, and wonder, had things been different, I could have been. What if I had been born a little fish? Maybe a birdie. I think things would be easier, simpler. I think as human beings we're always so dragged down by our human lives. Like, always worried about what the latest celebs are wearing and who's gonna marry Ashton Kutcher and like, it's sad. I think we might have been better off as animals. Maybe animals is all that we are. Sweet rain is a sweet sweet rain. Sweet rain, come and wash me away. Sweet rain, come and wash my sins away. It's the sweetest, it's the sweetest, it's the sweetest, it's the sweet, sweet, sweet rain. When the pain comes and washes me away.
Ow, that really hurts.
It's a sweet rain.